Welcome back to the channel, automotive enthusiasts, as we take a comprehensive and thrilling deep dive into what might be the most controversial, aggressive, and earth-shattering performance sedan on the road today. When the German automaker introduced the G90 generation of their legendary super sedan, the world was somewhat divided over its new plug-in hybrid powertrain and its significantly increased curb rate. But for the engineers and designers at the infamous tuning house Mansory, this heavy, electrified platform was not a setback, but an absolute playground. Today, we are pointing our cameras at the jaw-dropping 2026 BMW M5 Mansory, a vehicle that takes the already potent Bavarian missile and injects it with a lethal dose of forged carbon fiber, bespoke luxury, and a level of horsepower that absolutely obliterates the competition. If you thought the standard hybrid sedan was a bit too understated or perhaps a bit too heavy to be a true track weapon, Mansory is here to prove that enough horsepower and aerodynamic downforce can solve absolutely any engineering dilemma. From the very first glance, the visual impact of the 2026 BMW M5 Mansory is nothing short of pure, unfiltered aggression. Mansory is globally renowned for their uncompromising, over-the-top design language, and they have clearly held nothing back with this latest creation. The front fascia has been completely transformed by an aggressive, hand-laid carbon fiber splitter, massive air intake garnishes, and aerodynamic race flap canards that give the vehicle a menacing, predatory glare in the rearview mirror. Above that sits a bespoke vented carbon fiber hood that not only reduces front-end weight, but helps extract massive amounts of heat from the engine bay. Walking along the side profile, your eyes are immediately drawn to the widened carbon fiber side skirts, aggressive fender shields, and spectacular 22-inch ultra-lightweight forged alloy wheels that perfectly fill the muscular arches. At the rear, the aerodynamic theater reaches its absolute peak with a prominent carbon fiber roof spoiler, a sharp decklit spoiler, and a massive full-width rear diffuser. Integrating beautifully into this aggressive diffuser is a bespoke triple-tip Mansory sport exhaust system that completely replaces the factory quad tips, providing a visual nod to legendary supercars while delivering an incredibly visceral, earth-shattering V8 soundtrack. Of course, a Mansory badge promises far more than just visual upgrades, and the mechanical enhancements hiding beneath that sculpted carbon fiber hood are truly staggering. The 2026 M5 utilizes a highly complex plug-in hybrid powertrain, pairing a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine with an electric motor integrated into the 8-speed transmission. While the factory output is certainly impressive, the installation of the Mansory Powerbox module completely rewrites the engine mapping, boost pressures, and fueling. The result is a monumental leap in performance, bringing the total combined output to a staggering 838 horsepower and an immense 1,150 newton-meters of torque. When you plant your right foot on the accelerator, this heavy luxury sedan defies the laws of physics, utilizing its advanced all-wheel drive system to rocket off the line with a ferocity that will genuinely leave dedicated mid-engine supercars struggling to keep up. Stepping into the cabin reveals an environment where brutal performance meets absolute bespoke luxury. Mansory completely reupholsters the interior, offering clients an unlimited palette of premium leathers, intricate diamond quilting, and contrasting stitching. The cockpit features custom carbon fiber steering wheel accents, illuminated entrance panels, and ultra-premium materials that elevate the passenger experience far beyond the standard factory specification. Ultimately, the 2026 BMW M5 Mansory is an absolute triumph of automotive excess. It is not designed for the faint of heart, nor does it attempt to be subtle. It is a bold, unapologetic statement of power, wealth, and supreme engineering, firmly cementing its place as the undisputed king of the modern super sedan segment.